Welcome to Rocky Mountain Audio Fest 2019 here in Denver, Mile High City. And I'm Mark Casavant with Klipsch, Senior VP of Global Brand Development, Business Development. So we're showing off some of our newest heritage products. So that includes the handcrafted products that we've made for over 7 decades in Hope, Arkansas. That includes the new 6th generation Klipsch horn, the 4th generation Cornwall, and the 4th generation Heresy. So these are classic models that everybody loves, but we have brought state-of-the-art horn technology to these heritage products. That's interesting, isn't it? So we are advancing the horn art from Hope, Arkansas, from our top engineers, Roy Delgado, who is really the prodigy of Paul Klipsch. He's very humble about that, but I always like to remind people that he is carrying forward the things that Paul Klipsch wanted to do in the evolution of these classic products. So we're demonstrating this product here at the show for the first time to the public, and these models they're entering production, so they will be available shortly. And as always with heritage products, it may take a little while, a few weeks, months maybe for special orders, but we are going to be fulfilling those orders for these new models very soon. So they incorporate brand new Tractrix horns for mid-range drivers as well as high-frequency drivers. The tweeter has a very interesting wide dispersion phase plug, so it's a brand new advancement for any of our loudspeakers where we are allowing ultra-wide dispersion for ultra high frequencies. We're talking 90 degrees horizontal distribution for 20 kilohertz. So this opens up the soundstage, yet it's controlled, and it gives this unbelievable soundstage capability along with the famous dynamics that Klipsch is known for. So it has to be heard to be appreciated. And with the Heritage Dealer Program throughout the US and the world, we're securing more demonstration audio dealers to really show this product. It has to be heard to be appreciated. So this program has been very successful over the last year and more. And we're having these dealers have, capability for tube amplifiers, turntables now with a high-res streaming service. So this is all part of the program to really show off what this heritage product can do. So anyway, that's it in a nutshell. But the final overarching mission here is the evolution continues with our heritage product, the world famous product, but we are introducing state-of-the-art horn design and development. And the sonic realism has never been better for these classic products that are still handcrafted in Hope, Arkansas. So we hope you can join us or see the videos from our friend Giles here, because he's going to be pretty thorough in the coverage of these new models. So thanks for watching and see you soon. So Giles, one more thing I wanted to add is we have partners for this heritage program, the dealer program for heritage loudspeakers. So we have Carry amplifiers, a special edition of the SLI 80, which is a classic integrated amp, an 80 watt ultralinear mode, 40 watt per channel triode mode. And we are actually making the wood side panels and shipping them to Carry, and they're affixing them to the side panels of the amplifier. So you can get beautiful walnut, the cherry finish, and then we may even do some of the exotic finishes like the East Indian rosewood, things to match your Klipsch heritage speakers, the exact finishes, because we're making them in Hope and we're shipping them to Cary in North Carolina. So that's kind of cool. Project turntables, they are matching the walnut wood grain on a special model turntable. So if you love the finish of your heritage, you can get a turntable that matches also. And then one other thing that people may or may not realize, but the new generation heritage products have internal wiring by AudioQuest. So AudioQuest has been a great partner at all the shows. We go crazy, you have AudioQuest everywhere, all the big, thick, speaker wires, no loss, interconnects, digital cables, analog cables, all that good stuff. But inside the cabinets, we have wonderful AudioQuest wires to the crossovers. Every bit of wire is high-grade wire inside. Every detail counts with these heritage products. So I just thought I would mention that for people who might be interested in, hey, what kind of system can I put together? Analog, digital, tube amps, all that really work well with the Klipsch heritage products. We've taken that step with some partners. They've been super cool about it to make it real custom and really sweet product to match with heritage. So thanks for that. Just wanted to make sure your viewers knew that as well.